An important application has been filed in Lord Krishna's Janambhumi Mandir case, and I wanted to talk to you about. This application has been filed in Mathura after a recent order in Varanasi court, which I told you about, where the Honorable Court has ordered an ASI survey to see whether existing, and I've done a YouTube video on this already, and you can watch it, to see whether a pre-existing structure, an underlying structure, was destroyed in Varanasi. And I had tweeted also, because anybody who has gone to Kashi Vishwanath Mandir knows that what the naked eye can see is extremely stark, it's extremely visible. There is nothing which I feel is hidden, but law requires proof and scientific proof, and that scientific proof the ASI has been told to seek. But that was about Kashi Vishwanath Mandir. This is about Krishna Janambhumi in Mathura. And important part is, I told you, this is about the murtis of Shri Krishna Janambhumi Mandir. The murtis. Because the main case, where a case has been filed and the main case says that Krishna ji's Janambhumi was destroyed by Aurangzeb and Shahi Idgah was built there, and that is a case going on in the court. But this is different. This application says that the murtis which were present there in the mandir were taken by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb to Agra and then buried under the Jama Masjid Agra, the Janara Mosque, which is commonly called as Jama Masjid Agra. And the lawyers filing the application say that it is necessary for ASI to do a radiologic survey. They have modern means without disturbing the existing structure to do a survey to find if this is true or not, because this would prove that Aurangzeb had raised Shri Krishna Janambhumi, the mandir existing there since times immemorial. So this application has been filed. This application also talks about the Varanasi court's order, where if you can see it, I've already made a video on that. You can see it in detail. But if you want to just see what that has done, is they have ordered a survey. And I had tweeted that what the naked eye can see, ASI would now prove with scientific proof. Because courts go on science. I know a lot of you would get what we can see, why the court can't pass an order, etc., etc. I have always said court has its own procedure, which it has to go, and they have gone with that procedure of a scientific survey. Common man can go and see what is seen as self-explanatory. I don't need to describe it. You don't need to describe it. We all can see it. Now, this being filed in Krishna Janambhumi in Mathura concerning an application for an ASI survey by scientific means, which will not disturb the existing structure there, has been filed. What the court decides, we will have to see. It is likely to be taken up in May, and I would come and inform you. You can keep your notifications on this English channel. We discuss these serious issues. And also in the evening, I'll try to do a live on a thing which has really shocked me, that people are selling fake injections in COVID times, and what you can do and what the law should do to such people who are selling fake injections, steroids which are needed to cure seriously ill patients. I'll do that in the evening, so keep your notifications on.